guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's so good to be back on your screens again. So today is all about hair, and I want to make a Bantu knot, but I want to try something. I want to try how I can use a crochet locks to make the Bantu instead of a normal attachment that we all know about. So this is the locks that I'm going to be using to make the Bantu knot. I feel like instead of using attachment, if you have a crochet hair that you have used before, you can still use it to make something nice out of it and not just dispose it off like that. So let's see, let's get started. Before I try to do anything on my hair, I try to moisturize my hair. I use different kind of oils. So this is like okay, this is Carrie's olive strengthening hair oil I use on my hair. Then I had it to my combination of oils, shea butter. You know, you can also turn shea butter into oil, you know, when you eat it. And I use coconut oil too, and the other kind of olive oil you get. So I mix everything into this container, then I just go and put it on my hair. So I just get a very smooth handling when I'm trying to divide my hair into parts. Yeah, this crochet is actually very long. Can you see? Like, I actually doubled it. So if I want to want you guys to see how long it is, see, it is very very long. I mean, I can actually use it for any kind of hairstyle I want to use, but I just want to experiment it with a Bantu knot. I mean, it's like I have the resources, so why not just try and use it? So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to part my hair into two. I would love to always start to divide my hair into two equal parts. I'm just going to hold this to the back. Yeah, so we have this separate. So it depends on how many Bantu knots you want to have on your hair. So I'm just going to divide this into some parts. So after trying to detangle, I'm just going to hold this with a rubber band. This is just to know how many Bantu knots am I having on my hair. So I'm just going to do the same thing to other parts of my hair. I'm just going to section it into very nice parts. Going to go ahead and divide the back like I did for the front. So right now I am done sectioning my hair into different parts of it. Depends on how many sections you want to make on your hair. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the crochet hair I'm going to be using for the Bantu knot. It is very long, so I don't think that using 4-5 is going to be advisable, because you know you have to weave it through the hand, and when you start knotting it, it gets too big. So just going to be using 2 of the strands. So make sure your hair is well detangled, that way you'll be able to weave it properly, and there'll be less breakage. So I love to use my fingers to detangle my hair, because I don't want any stories that cut concerning this. It's actually so much easier when you divide it first into parts, because you know it's just what works for you basically. But for me, I like to divide it first before I go into making the hair. That way I know how many I'm doing, and I know which journey and I know what journey I'm going into. So this strand, then I'm going to take it like this, then put it together. It's equal, so I put it together. Can you see? Let me try it again. And I put it on top of each other. See? Then like this. So I can have this kind of knot. Can you see? If you're the type that you like your hair to be very sleek, I mean very sleek, you want to apply a gel to it. And this one I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel. It works, really works for gel. So you can add it to get that sleek feeling when you're done with your Bantu knot. I'm going to brush this. I'm going to take the crochet hair and weave it. It's just, you're just trying to make it into 3 parts. I mean 3 parts. So I hope you can see I'm trying to divide your hair into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. So that way you'll be able to make the Bantu. I hope you all can. Don't get confused. Just make sure you're holding it down. And you might not really make it too tight, because by the time you're trying to knot the Bantu, sorry, by the time you're trying to knot the hair, it gets so hard and it might really be hurtful. So just try and relax your hand when you're braiding it out. I can decide to add it at the ends of my hair, rather than, you know, braiding it from the upper part. I can see that, you know, it's a bit fat. So imagine if I'm using like 3 to 4. Oh well, if you want a really big Bantu on your hair, Bantu knot, you can actually use as many as possible. But just for the normal size, I think for this kind of crochet hair, I think 2 is just okay to get the results that you want. And I am still braiding it because this is long. Can you guys see? Do you know that I don't feel that you can leave it as a braid, but that's not what we're after today. We're after making a Bantu knot. And so it's time to make the knot. I'm just going to take it gently round, just like you're having a roundabout on your hair. This is the reason why I said that you shouldn't make it really tight when you're braiding, because when you're trying to knot it out, it's, you know, it might really hurt your hair. So just be gentle while braiding it. So you're just going to turn this round, and yeah, tuck it in. And if it's not staying, you can just use a bobby pin and just tuck it in. Anyone that works for you. So let's get right into the next one. As usual, I'm trying to detangle this. I'm trying to detangle my hair. So the olive oil that I showed you earlier just makes my hair really soft when I'm trying to make it. So yeah, I'm going to add the gel. So just have a nice definition when you're done. And again, we have 1, 2, then put it on top of each other, make it equal, and then it goes like this. So yeah, we're getting there, and I'm actually loving the look already, like already, yay. All right, okay, so as usual, right now I am done with the knots, and now I just want to lay my edges so we can have some flavor. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel to lay my edges. Okay guys, so if you see me looking down, I'm actually looking at my mirror because, you know, I love my teddy. Like, I mean, I love it so much. Like, I love to take the time to lay. Okay, baby hairs, teddy. I don't know what it is. I don't know, man, but I call him Teddy, like my Teddy. Okay. Okay, so guys, my edges are ready, and whoa, I totally love this look. So now that we're done, I'm just going to add these accessories to my hair, just to, you know, like spice it a little bit. So we just have a boring Bantu knot. You guys get it there, you know. like going the African way. Okay, so the accessories I added give this hair much more flavor, and I'm actually loving it. I mean, this kind of Bantu knot you want to be rocking out to a date, to a party, to an interview. I mean, it's just so nice. Just like African and Nigerian. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video, and if you love it, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment. Would you rock this anytime? Would you want to try this Bantu knot? So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you so much. Like, I love you so much. Bye.